Does high pressure help with blasting your parts? There's a couple answers to that, and their basics are yes and no. Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Technologies. Question has been asked about pressures and what pressures to use when blasting, and does high pressure help with blasting your parts? There's a couple answers to that, and their basics are yes and no. It really depends on the material that you're blasting. If you're doing very soft metals, brass or copper, you're probably going to want to run a lower pressure, somewhere around 60 PSI probably, to where if you're cleaning casings off of an engine, you may want to turn that up to about 100 PSI. But the main thing is what media you're using to blast with. So glass bead, being a round hollow bead, at higher pressures is going to rupture faster than it will at the lower pressures. And you're going to go through your media faster that way. If you're using an aluminum oxide, those are small angular beads. They're designed really for prepping a surface and getting it ready for a coating. So you wouldn't want to use that on aluminum necessarily unless you're going to paint it later. If we want to use a glass bead and get a really good finish, you could blast at about 60 to 80 to 90 PSI on those aluminum parts, and then you can actually turn that pressure all the way down. And when you turn the pressure all the way down and start blasting the part, it actually puts a brighter shine to the finish. So if that high polish shine's what you're looking for, that would be my suggestion when it comes to actually pressures and how you should blast with them. Now, this machine we're standing in front of is the VH800FL. If you're interested in purchasing a machine like this, you can find the description down below. Also, we do free parts testing. So if you have something you're just not sure about and what pressures you want or what type of media you need to use, we do offer free parts testing. You can actually email directly into the office, or you can call us and we can get that set up for you. If you have any other questions, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.